I promise I didn't do it. I don't know why I'm here, but it wasn't me. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and welcome on back to another IAA walk around. We had a lot of trucks in the last edition, and unfortunately there's so many trucks that are out here. We might have more today. I'm going to try to sprinkle in a car here or there, but there's just so many different deals like this and that and so many more out here. We're going to try to get to as many as we can because there's an auction today and I got things I need to bid on. So anyways, let's get into it. All right, guys, first things first, we're looking at a Dodge Dakota. Now, this is a Title Max. It is a run and drive. 202,000 miles on the clock. The paint is either patinaed or was repainted with some crap paint at some point in its life. But for the most part, the body's pretty straight. Definitely was painted with some crap paint. But super cheap. Guarantee you this thing goes for next to nothing. Next to nothing is my guess. I mean, wow. Dashboard's all cracked as normal. The surprise that the cup holders are even still in here. She's dirty, would need a detail, but she would make a really good landscaping truck. I really think so. Now I'm guessing it's gonna be dead. It is. Nothing we can do about that. But there she is, guys. Quick start to the video. Little beater truck for the low. Alrighty, guys, we're walking and looking to see if we can find another deal. Uh-oh, what is this? Is this what I think it is? Oh, we got a Charger here, and I couldn't tell you if it's a V8 or V6 because it says no start. It says run and drive now. It's a Daytona, so it's at least a 5.7. No badging though, but at least a 5.7. Let's see if she has any power. Nice dark tint. All right, it's got the food stamp seats. It has the SRT steering wheel. I wonder if this is the older Scat Pack. Let's see. She runs. And she has that very familiar tap, tap, tap that we get from, what do you call it? Electronic stability control. So somebody was really getting on her. All the tires are up. Outside of that tap, 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 she sounds pretty good. We're going to take a look at the engine. We'll get under the hood. We'll get under the hood here and see what she's looking like. And then we'll know what engine she has. I'm guessing 6.4 or 5.7. 5.7. Looks like a 5.7 to me. No, is that the 6? That's got the 6.4 rails, right? So it is a, why is it? I mean, I know it's listed as a Daytona. I wonder why it doesn't have any that. I mean, it could be debadged. That is true. They could have debadged it. But, huh, interesting. And I don't see the Daytona badge up here. Huh. It's got the regular brakes though, right? So it can't, yeah, it's an RT. It's got to be a 5.7 then. Because I haven't seen any of these come with the regular brakes. Yeah, what's up? Ooh, Mike was asking if I was making another video on that. I know you're going to say, oh, Green Monster, Green Monster. We all know you don't care about the Green Monster. Oh, wait a minute. It is a Daytona. But it's a 5.7 Daytona, which this tells me that somebody added this to the car. Now, I'm going to get in here. Charger's here. All right. Yeah, no Scat Pack thing. Now, what I want to see is if I can get into the the Super Track Pack. Launch control? Huh. Now this might be a Daytona thing, right? Yep, it does have that sport mode, but it does not have the hold option. Okay, sport, on, sport, sport. And I can hear it change. Plus, I can see on the speedometer it says 160. That means it's an RT. I believe the Scat Packs say 180. And the Hellcats say what, 200? If I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. Anyways, there you guys have it right here. So somebody either upgraded this, or maybe this was a Daytona option. Who knows? But Daytona on the seats. It does have the nice Alcantara seats. It does have the Dodge Brothers thing here. And you know what? Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let me find out. I'm shocked. Hold on. Does it have a neutral strap cover from Destroyer 1320? If it does, I will be shocked. I will literally be shocked right now. Of course. We'll get it. Nope, it does not. All right. At least it has that piece of plastic. But if you ever wondered, what year is this then? So this must be newer. If you ever wondered how they steal these cars so easily, they literally come in here, they get into your car, they pop this, they pop the trunk, they disconnect the battery, or they just cut the damn horn, all right? And then they come in here and they pull this. And once they pull this up, it's literally as easy as, well, first, if you can get the neutral strap in your hand. I'm not going to pull this up, but literally it's as easy as pulling this up. It puts the car in neutral, and then they can just push your car away, and it's gone. So I highly recommend, if you have an SRT or a Mopar in general, to go check out Destroyer1320.com, all right, Destroyer1320.com, and go buy one of these plates, because what they do is they create a plate that goes under here. It gets pushed, it gets screwed in, and it makes it, they can still get to your neutral strap, but it's going to take them like 40 minutes of messing with your car, and in that time period they could get caught, and criminals don't want to take the time to do that if they're stealing your car. So I highly recommend you do that. Go get one of those ASAP. But anyways, the rest of this car looks clean. I don't know why it's here. It doesn't say Title Max on it. It doesn't tell me the insurance company. I'm going to look up the lot number and try to get a little bit more information on it, because the steering and everything feels fine. She's only got 73,000 miles on it. Let's see. She goes into gear. Backup camera does work. She goes into drive. Yep. So it literally I put it in park. Look, it says vehicle not in park. Vehicle speed too high to shift to park. So now we know that there's undercarriage damage or something else, because she does go into drive. Yeah, so it won't go into reverse either, because it thinks it's going down the road at a high rate of speed. Now when I shut it down, it then goes to park. Wow. All right, so there is an issue with a speed sensor, I'm guessing somewhere in the transmission on this. Again, I don't know the Chargers really well. I know Challengers. I know they're kind of the same mechanical beasts, but yeah, there you have it. Beautiful car. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And yeah. All right, guys, which brings us to a very cheap Navigator. All right, guys, this Lincoln Navigator is going for extremely cheap, with a very cheap buy it now price. You guys should definitely go check out the listing. I'll show it to you here in a minute. But look at this, man. U.S. Army. So they were probably veterans. There's the lot number if you want to look it up. Let's take a look at the inside. I don't see any damage. on the Navigator. All right, especially for its year, THX speakers, this stuff can all be detailed and cleaned, reupholstered. Common issue on the armrest, does have the drop down. She is dead as a doornail, I'm guessing, but I'll throw a key in it just to see. Yeah. Looks like a smoker. Doesn't smell like cigarettes though, so that's a win. Overall, I mean, for the price, I mean, look, where are you going to find a big, luxurious, running, driving SUV, you know, for less than $1,000? You're just not. Now, I know, TK, it's got the Triton, it's got the 3-valve, it sucks. I don't know, man. I mean, yeah, I get it. I've heard they've sucked forever, but some of these trucks I see have 250 to 300,000 friggin' miles on them. So I don't know, man. I really don't. This one has 176,000 miles on it. So if they're such horrible engines, I don't think they'd be. I mean, I'm sure they're a dime a dozen, right? Old Chryslers used to be like that. Some would be great, other ones would be crap, and Lincoln could be the same way. But wow, that wind. But overall, she's pretty clean, huh? Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. Well, unfortunately, guys, due to weather constraints, it is the temperature has dropped about 15 degrees and it's starting to rain. We have to get out of here. I had a couple other vehicles I really wanted to get in today, but this will give me more time to get prepared and get into the auction and get this going. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the ones that we were able to show you guys today in the comment section down below. And I don't think I'm going to add the live auction in here because I don't want to give away what I'm bidding on. And I don't want you. I want the winning cars to kind of be a surprise when we do this stuff moving forward. But yeah. Anyways, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Before I go though, small teaser on what's being picked up today. See y'all in the next one.